So, you're looking for a hitch-mounted bike rack and you don't want to custom fabricate one yourself. I don't blame you. Let's talk about the Yakima Holdup Evo and why it may or may not be right for you. I'm Cody at Titan Truck, and here's what you need to know. When it comes to hitch-mounted bike racks, there are a lot of choices out there. From fixed position single bike racks to full featured racks, like the Yakima Evo. And the prices can vary too, from just over $100 to just under $1,000. So where does the Yakima Holdup Evo fit in? The Yakima Holdup Evo is an improved version of the Holdup, one of Yakima's staple racks. The Evo 2 is the base rack holding 2 bikes, hence the name Evo 2. But if you want to transport up to 4 bikes, Yakima offers the Plus 2 extension, assuming you're using a 2-inch hitch receiver. A few things stand out with this rack. First, you'll notice the carrying capacity. The Evo 2 is configured to handle bikes with 20 to 29-inch wheels and tires up to 5 inches wide. Now, many of us are prone to overloading things, including racks, so there's probably at least one of you out there saying, I can fit my fat tire bike on just about any rack. Yeah, you probably could. The difference is that the Yakima Evo is designed to accommodate up to 5-inch tires, thanks in part to the wider wheel hoops and longer straps. The Evo is a tiltable rack, allowing you to easily access your gear. It tilts with just a quick press of the lever just underneath the bikes. Another feature is the lockable speed knob. This makes securing the rack to your hitch quick and simple. And of course, it locks to protect against theft. Speaking of locks, this rack uses Yakima's proprietary SKS locks. SKS stands for Single Key System. The SKS locks allow you to secure all of your Yakima gear using only one key. Speaking of securing your gear, the Holdup Evo firmly secures bikes around the wheels using a strong arm hook and lockable straps, protecting your bike's finish. Another feature for all Yakima bike racks is their simple locking cable, again, compatible with SKS. Now, after you've mounted your bikes, if you notice that they're rubbing against one another, you can quickly adjust the trays to accommodate. And when you're done carrying bikes, you can tilt the entire rack up to fit against your vehicle without having to take it off the hitch receiver. One of the reasons we stock Yakima products is their attention to detail. Little things like including all the tools you'll need to install the rack. They also offer really good and fairly entertaining installation videos. I like the part where the installer points out the built-in bottle opener. Seriously though, this rack is well designed and well thought through. Now at the time we made this video, the retail price is about $600. Now there are hitch-mounted racks out there for under $200, so if you're looking to go on the cheap and don't really need all the features, this rack probably isn't for you. But if you want a tiltable rack that accommodates wide tires, is easy to tilt, can be folded out of the way, and is secure, the Yakima Evo is a great choice. You can find the Holdup Evo and all other Yakima products on our website at titantruck.com. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to see more of our videos, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so that you get an update when we post a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at TitanTruck Spokane. My name's Cody, and I will see you next time.